Hi kids, welcome back. Green color, purple color, sky blue color, violet color, orange color, red color, black color, brown color, yellow color, pink color, blue color, green color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letters A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's trace A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. Blue color. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. Orange color. S. S for spider. T. T for tiger. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for van. X. X for xylophone. Brown color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Read again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.